What could be causing the Steam purchase to fail?
Hey there, welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the potential causes behind a Steam purchase failure. Steam is a popular digital distribution platform for video games, and encountering issues while trying to make a purchase can be frustrating. But worry not, we're here to help you troubleshoot and understand what might be causing the problem.
Payment method issues.
One of the common reasons for a Steam purchase to fail is related to payment method issues. Let's take a closer look at some possible culprits. 1.1. Insufficient funds. Insufficient funds in your payment account can prevent a purchase from going through. Make sure you have enough money or credit available to cover the cost of the game or item you're trying to buy. 1.2. Expired or invalid payment method. If the payment method you're using has expired or is invalid, Steam won't be able to process the transaction. Ensure that the payment method details, such as credit card expiration date or billing address, are up to date and correct. 1.3. International payment restrictions. Some payment methods may have restrictions on international transactions. If you're trying to make a purchase from a different country than the one associated with your payment method, it could result in a failure. Check with your payment provider to verify if there are any restrictions in place.
Account-related issues.
Issues related to your Steam account can also contribute to purchase failures. Let's explore a few possibilities. 2.1. Account security measures. Steam has security measures in place to protect your account from unauthorized access. If these measures detect any suspicious activity or an unusual login attempt, they may temporarily disable certain features, including purchases. Ensure that you have followed all necessary steps to verify your account and secure it. 2.2. Age verification. Certain games on Steam have age restrictions, and if your account hasn't been age verified or if you're underage for a particular game, the purchase may fail. Make sure your account is appropriately verified and that you meet the age requirements for the game you're trying to purchase. 2.3. Family sharing limitations. If you're using Steam's family sharing feature, there are limitations on purchasing and playing shared games. If the game you're attempting to buy is already being shared by another account, or if the sharing feature is disabled, it can cause the purchase to fail.
Network and technical issues.
Sometimes the problem lies beyond payment methods and account settings. Network and technical issues can also contribute to purchase failures. Let's explore a couple of potential scenarios. 3.1. Unstable internet connection. An unstable or unreliable internet connection can interrupt the communication between your device and Steam servers, leading to purchase failures. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection before attempting to make a purchase. 3.2. Steam server issues. At times, the issue might not be on your end but rather with the Steam servers. Check Steam's official website or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server problems or maintenance scheduled. If so, it's best to wait for the issue to be resolved. And there you have it. We've covered some of the potential causes behind Steam purchase failures. Remember to check your payment method, account settings, and ensure a stable internet connection. If the problem persists, contact Steam support for further assistance. We hope this video has been helpful, and happy gaming!